Hey everybody, it's Shannon from Shanta's Workshop, and I'm here with the first box of the Season 2 Quack Pack subscription box. I think that pretty much everybody at this point who subscribes to this box is aware that it has a sublimation theme, and not everybody's excited about that. I'm personally pretty excited about it, so I kind of want to see what's going on in here. So let's see. Okay. Grab a Scotty pillar. And I think there's also been a little bit of confusion with these boxes in that people are thinking that it is supposed to be a glitter themed box. This is and has always been a craft subscription box. So it always comes with multiple different kinds of crafting materials, things that you might not purchase if you were shopping for yourself or for your business. So things you might even want to just use for personal projects. You never know. So let's see what's going on. Looks like we've got a fun new lanyard. Got the Pumpkin Spice D, PSL D, and then the hacked D with the new hacked glitter. That's cute. So awesome. Add that to my collection. Oh, we've got 2 pins in this one. So this is my favorite D, I think. Other than the Santa one, because I love Christmas, obviously. Can't focus. Alright. Oh, this one's a keychain, actually. So I kind of hate clowns, but I mean, he's kind of cute. He's not as creepy as most clowns. He's got his glittery balloon. But still, yeah, I'm just not a fan of clowns. But yeah, that's cute. That's a nice keychain. And it's like nice, solid metal. Got the glitter guy logo on the back. Pin also has the nice legit logo on the back. I don't think he has any glitter on him. For shame. Alright, it's just not gonna focus on PSLD. Alright, I see some glitters. So these are new. Here is a fusion. So the fusion glitters are always custom hand-mixed glitters that you can only find at the glitter guy. They hand-mix them right in the warehouse. So this one's got like a nice peachy kind of feel to it. Untrue facts. Scientists have discovered hot dog flavored water on Mars. Yum yum. Peach Panther. That's cute. A nice name. And it kind of throws like some golden hues. I see some yellow in there. Some pink and purple. It's pretty. And then this one says it's a hacked glitter, so that'll be fun to try on different bases. Oceanic. Oceanic? Oceanic. And I just spilled it everywhere. Should have done this. Okay, I immediately regret this decision. Here it is on a fluorescent beige base. It kind of gets like a blue opal of them all, kind of. Like it is throwing off some golden a little bit. And it's that nice fine, or not fine, but like the soft kind of chunky material. I'm not a huge fan of the thick chunkies. It's got a little bit of purple in there too. Very nice. It looks pretty sprinkled on my white table here too. Okay, so now I'm seeing something. Ooh, what's this? Feels rubbery. Oh, it's like a thick stir stick, like a big popsicle stick. That's nice. Has the Glitter Guy logo on there. It's like heavy duty. This would be good to use when you do the drip cups and you're like kind of putting around the rim before you start the extra dripping. Like, I already know what I'm going to use this for. Sweet. Let's see. Okay, so here are the things from this new company, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but I, in my head, am saying Artistry. Iron-on ink. So it looks like you've got some keychain and a bookmark. I believe that's what that is. Let's just open it up and see. I just cut my fingernail. So this is iron-on ink. So that means you don't need a press, a heat press. You can use your iron. This is a nice bookmark. Okay. And then this is all keychain. So obviously I've seen the leaks of everybody kind of talking about this box, and I saw the company name before I got my box. Normally I keep everything a surprise, but it was ruined for me this time. I know it's in here. Or I knew about the sub stuff, not the glitter and all that. And like I said, I'm super excited about it, and the first thought that came to my mind is Christmas coming up. Grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles, get your kids to draw on these things and then smash your iron down on it, and you've got an awesome gift for your family members. That was literally the first thing I thought of. I'm like, I cannot wait to get these markers, because how fun is that you can draw on these things, write messages on these things, and then it's a permanent gift. Or for yourself. It doesn't have to be for your business. It doesn't have to be a thing that you're going to start a whole new business with, you know. So this is the heat tape. If you're taping down, if you are doing sublimation on tumblers, I guess you tape it down with that. I don't sublimate. I have sublimated on t-shirts before, but I buy my sub prints from another company, custommadebetter.com. I buy my prints there, and then I use my heat press to sublimate on t-shirts or bags. I haven't done a tumbler yet. So I guess these are the, so you get some blank sheets in here, it looks like. And this is a wrap for your tumbler. I saw them in the video. They put a wrap on there before they stick it in their oven, which, side note, do not put your tumblers in the oven that you're going to cook in if you do decide to do this. So it looks like you get a wine tumbler. I mean, that's a nice tumbler. And you know what? This is like a pre-prep tumbler. It's already white. You can glitter it if you don't want to sublimate on it. You can just throw some glitter on there. I mean, I'd probably sand it first because it's glossy. But I think the idea is that you just write on here, right? I don't know. I need to look. They're supposed to do a live about this and how to use everything on November 5th. The screen's turning off. Glitter Guy Supply Company. Oh, fun, a calendar. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So December. It's got like all the holidays on there. Oh, and oh, this is awesome. So you have when the new releases. So this is Supercell Sunday plus new release glitter on December 5th, 2021. So it starts in December. Then you've got Supercell Sunday and a duck hunt. Like, it's got everything on your calendar, so you can just hang this in your craft room and you know what's coming up. Fusion Series Friday. Love it. Okay, this is a new D. Alright, so now we've got Supercell Sunday plus Blind Box, which is early release glitter. So the Blind Box is opposite of the Quack Pack in that it is just glitters, and it's glitters that they haven't been released on the website yet. So if you do the Blind Box, you're going to get a box filled with glitter, and it's glitter that no one has seen yet. So you got your Duck Hunt, Supercell Sunday, Fusion Series Friday. Is looking like it's about halfway through the month. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I just got an idea. Oh look, there's a mega sale coming up March 2nd. Oh snap. So I'm like looking at this. When your calendar's done, you can Mod Podge all these D's onto a tumbler. Oh, look at the little Easter D. I'm really loving this. Super D, and there's the new hacked, the tumbler hack, the new ultimate hack glitter. If you don't have that one, I highly suggest you get it. The Pirate D, I haven't seen him. Another mega sale in June. Like, I love that this is all, like, you can see it ahead of time, so you can plan. Save your money. Look how vibrant this is, too. My favorite. Look how cute he is. Sarah's actual birthday. Sarah's birthday sale. They're so spooky. This is so awesome. TGG anniversary sale. Jason's birthday is on here. Look at that. November 30th. I don't see my birthday on here, guys. November 12th. I don't see Shannon's birthday on there. Nice. Notes. That's a really nice calendar. Oh, I just noticed that in the letters it has all the big D in there. I swear I need a new camera. Oh, and there's the back with all of them on there. Or maybe, yeah, that was the back. That's so cool. Got some other things. Looks like we've got a sticker. The Hacked D. Oh, look, he's wearing a little artist spray. I'm probably butchering this company name, and I'm so sorry. But he's got his little artist spray t-shirt. And a Hack D magnet. Love it. Put that on my fridge. Alright. So here's everything that's in here. So that stick was called the Big Stick. TGG silicone Big Stick. Box value $98.65. So we got the sublimation kit, PSLD pin, Penny D keychain, Hack D sticker, Hack D magnet, TGG calendar. Very nice. All right, and then you also get some promo codes. I'll tell you what they are. You do get a promo code, 15% off the site from Artist Spree. You get free shipping on orders over $50 from the Glitter Guy. You get 15% off the site at Anti-Up Graphics and 10% off of a purchase of $20 or more from Maple Street Supply. That's a good amount of savings. Alright, so this is the iron-on instructions, it looks like. Iron-on ink. Had to pause for a second because my child came up here. So anyway, this is the Artist Spree iron-on ink instructions. Oh, probably should have closed that. Covered that. Yeah, so you can go on the website and there are instructions on how to use it. So you have to make sure you're using a polyester material, of course, for sublimation. Alright, so I am actually going to test these out and make another video and see what we think about those things. So tell me what you think about it. If you've used this stuff, let me know. I think I'm going to start with this guy. I'm just going to jump all in. I do not have a tumbler press. I don't have an additional oven to bake it in. I am going to attempt using my heat gun and see how that works out and let you know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all the things that were in the box, and if you have any questions, let me know. And if you love what was in the box, let me know what was your favorite thing. Bye guys.